Zeus was the youngest child of the Titans Cronus and Rhea. His father, Cronus, had a fear of being overthrown by his children, so he swallowed them all. To save Zeus, his mother Rhea gave Cronus a stone wrapped like a baby. While Zeus was raised in secret on Crete, hidden away from his devouring father, he grew up under the care of nymphs and the loving gaze of his mother. His journey to power began with a clever ruse and a rebellion that shook the heavens. As he grew up, he became strong and clever. He eventually challenged his father, freeing his siblings from Cronus's stomach. With their help and some powerful allies, Zeus defeated the Titans in a big battle known as the Titanomachy, taking control of the universe. After defeating Cronus and the Titans, Zeus established himself as the supreme ruler of gods and men. As the king of the gods, Zeus held sway over the sky and thunder, his authority unchallenged and absolute. His presence was commanding, his decisions final. The other gods looked to him for leadership, and mortals prayed to him for mercy and favor. Zeus's rule was marked by his desire for order and justice, although his methods were sometimes questionable. His thunderbolt, a gift from the Cyclopes, became a symbol of his power and his will to maintain balance in the world. Zeus's personal life was as tumultuous as his ascent to power. His marriage to Hera, while solidifying his status, was fraught with strife due to his numerous affairs. His liaisons with gods and mortals alike resulted in a pantheon of offspring, each with their own stories and destinies. Despite the drama, these relationships also led to the birth of some of the most revered deities and heroes in Greek mythology. After the defeat of the Titans, the three brothers decided to divide the realms of the world among themselves. They did so by drawing lots, which determined their respective domains. By drawing lots, Zeus won the sky, Poseidon the seas, and Hades the underworld. Zeus, with his thunderbolt, became the king of the gods and the ruler of Mount Olympus, the lofty peak that housed the divine. Poseidon wielded his trident to stir and calm the waters at his whim, while Hades reigned over the realm of the dead, where mortal souls would find their final rest. The earth remained neutral territory, under the watchful eyes of all the gods, but especially Gaia, the primordial earth goddess. Mount Olympus, transcending the physical, was revered as the sacred abode of the gods, a place where they feasted on ambrosia and nectar, and from where they governed the fates of mortals and immortals alike.